Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your you and yours reading. Virgo, you and yours is a reading for you and the person who's affecting your energy the most right now. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them these messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Virgo, let's see who wants to show up for you today. Maybe a lover, maybe an ex, maybe your spouse, could be a father, parent, child, boss, whoever, right? And as always, I'm taking two sides to the story. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person, and in the center, we'll have your action cards and dialogue cards. So, and for me, this is person A, Virgo, and this will be person B. You'll know which side you resonate the best with. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Virgo, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. All right, good to go. Let's take two action cards here, Virgo. And bottom of my deck, I have the Ace of Swords in reverse. So there could be some communication problems here, Virgo, or maybe somebody lied, somebody got caught, somebody is upset and angry. There is a little bit of lack of action and clarity about where this relationship is going from what I see. The cards I have on the table for person A are the Knight of Wands in reverse with the Eight of Wands, the Hanged Man, Ten of Cups, Justice, and the Ten of Pentacles. For person B, I have the Queen of Wands, the Sun card, Knight of Cups, Seven of Cups, Ten of Swords, and the Magician. So from what I see here, for person A, Virgo, maybe there was some kind of communication here from person A's side about how they were unable to take action, maybe, or they were being a bit immature in their communication. Maybe some communication happened where person A maybe said something which was not right. That's possible. It probably made their partner very upset and angry here. Person B's side, I have the Queen of Wands in reverse and the Sun card in reverse, which kind of dimmed the light on them and made them a little upset. Whatever conversation happened here, Virgo, by this person. So before I go on to the rest of the cards, Virgo, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify the cards. Then we'll open the action cards to see what expected action we can expect from either side now. So Virgo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Virgo and their person, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Virgo and their person. Thank you. And let's take some true confessions as well, Virgo. Virgo and their person. These came out together. Virgo and their person. One more. Thank you. All right, Virgo, let's begin your reading. The first card here, Virgo, says, "You are the most beautiful creature I have ever seen." So the happiness was there in the past from what I see. This connection made both of you very happy till somebody started feeling that these are only words and words are not enough to take my heart away. All these beautiful words, but all these promises are in vain if you never take action, if you never choose me, right? I know that I'm marriage material, and I know deep down you know that too. So maybe the commitment wasn't coming. Somebody was just being a little flighty here and saying all these nice things, very well knowing that you guys had something very special together, but always staying stuck and never kind of making a decision regarding it. So I think this is person B saying that hey, I know that I'm marriage material. I know that you also know it. So maybe there was no action regarding it. I can't handle you not being in my life forever. For now, but not forever. because now their partner's upset with them after whatever communication has taken place. I cried all night wondering why you weren't sleeping next to me. I have a really hard time opening up my emotions to anyone. Secretly doing things behind your back. Now, this kind of goes with person A. Maybe they weren't doing the right thing somewhere, maybe had other options, I don't know, but somebody's admitting to secretly doing things behind the other person's back. Soon I plan on returning, hoping it can work this time. So they are planning on coming back, Virgo. So this could be you planning to return, or maybe your person is saying that to you. I act like I don't care, but deep down it affects me more than you will ever know. Alright, so Virgo, if this is resonating with your life, your story, let's start with the reading. Let's start with the energies of person A first. So, spirit-wise, Knight of Wands showing up for them. Knight of Wands in reverse. Knight of Wands in reverse. Somebody lied here, I think. Somebody lied, or they were being a bit of a trickster here. Maybe they communicated that, hey, I don't care for you as much, or I don't love you, but maybe this was just a lie. They were trying to sidetrack person B, or sometimes what happens is when there's a very important conversation that has to take place, people create a stupid fight because they don't want the main issue to be discussed. So maybe somebody played a trick here by communicating that, hey, I don't care for you anymore, you're not that important to me, and yes, something like that. 8 of Wands, Spirit. 8 of Wands. 8 of Wands. 8 of Wands. Yes, but whatever communication I think person A gave or had with person B, it backfired on them. It backfired on them big time, because now their partner seems upset with them. So what happened, Spirit, in the recent past? What was this communication about? What happened for person A to be feeling that, their trickster ways have kind of backfired on them? Hanged Man. Yes, this person was probably, maybe there was a fight, okay, there was some communication, maybe some very harsh, rude, mean words were spoken here, some things were said without thinking. Basically, they didn't take time to think of what they were saying, and maybe but there was a lot of happiness here. There was a 10 of Cups available, but this bad behavior or bad dialogue delivery, I would say. 10 of Cups, Spirit. 10 of Cups. Yeah, some things came out in the open. Some things came out in the open, whether it was intentional, whether it was unintentional, whether it was in a moment of anger. Some things were revealed about this connection, which was quite happy in the past. You guys were each other's 10 of Cups, emotionally happy together, but whatever came out, whatever was spoken, whatever was said, it kind of put a damper on any fresh new beginning for you guys together. You both felt, this is not working, and maybe somebody here walked away from the connection. So 10 of Cups, Spirit, in the past. What was this 10 of Cups in the past? What was this 10 of Cups in the past, Spirit? Knight of Wands again. This person was very immature, I would say. Knight of Wands is out twice. I don't know what was said here. There was something said here which kind of didn't sit right with person B. So how does person A now feel about the connection, Spirit? Justice in reverse. Strength in reverse. How does person A feel about their person or feel about the connection now? They know things are not balanced at the moment. They know things are not balanced. They know that they have to kind of, they know that person is kind of not fighting for this connection, it seems, anymore. They feel that some decision has to be made. Standing at crossroads forever is not going to work. It will never bring justice, but somehow this person A doesn't have the courage. They don't really have the courage to do the right thing at the moment. Why is that, Spirit? How do they feel about the connection now? Or this person has anger issues. This person has major anger issues, and within this, they kind of manage to bring the tower down each time. Every time there is any possibility of things coming together, of having this 10 of Pentacles, longevity. So now they started doubting, is it even possible? I think they know what they're doing. They know what they're doing. Either they're doing it on purpose, or one more card, Spirit, for the 10 of Pentacles in reverse. Why does person A see this connection as the 10 of Pentacles in reverse? Because there is no clarity as to where we are going now. Somebody feels that they feel like a loser. They feel they don't have the truth to give person B. Then they know without that there is no justice. There has to be a decision which has to be made. Somewhere this person feels I lose either way. They do want to take action, but either they have to leave something behind. The Queen of Pentacles is normally a wife-spouse card. Either they have to release an existing marriage, maybe. This is rather confusing, Virgo. This won't be for all of you, I know. But let's go on to person B's side and let's see what action person A is going to finally take. So Queen of Wands in reverse, Spirit. Why does person B feel like the Queen of Wands in reverse? They're very angry and upset because they feel their partner doesn't put in any investment. They don't put in the time, they don't put in the effort, and they never bring that complete happiness to the connection because they don't fight for the connection. So now person B is upset and angry and saying, hey, it's better that I get out of the mix now. There are too many people here. There's too much of bickering, too much of fighting. I think it's time for me to release this connection, even though I'm not happy about doing it. But I feel I can't be the only one who's investing and not having the other person chip in, right? So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for them to feel that way? Same thing. They feel their person has never kept their promises. All these sweet nothings have amounted to nothing, right? Yeah. So Knight of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Knight of Cups in reverse. Yes, person B feels that their partner never really kept their promises, A. B never chose them, and feeling rather betrayed and feeling this is over. This is over and out. My partner never chose me here. They never chose me and left me by the wayside, basically. 7 of Cups in reverse. Yes, person B is feeling a little sad, feeling their wishes are not coming true, feeling the Wheel of Fortune is against them. Luck is not on their side at the moment, because they feel that person never really puts in any effort to make any decisions, always breaks promises. So how does person B see this connection now? 10 of Swords in reverse. Same thing. This card came out twice now for person B. Feeling it's, I'm over and out. This is not going anywhere. they feel their partner is always kind of tricking them, which was actually their first card as well, Magician in reverse, right? So they are coming to the realization that their partner has always been tricking them, never keeping their promises, never doing anything to build this connection up, never choosing them, and they feel betrayed. Why do they see this connection as the Ten of Swords now, Spirit? Person B. Why does person B see same card, Queen of Wands in reverse? Because they feel they are unable to take action anymore, because they are upset, angry, feeling betrayed, because they feel I'm not the only one who's always going to get up and take action. The Magician in reverse, Spirit. Magician in reverse. So they feel my partner is a magician in reverse. He's a trickster, because all they want is romance out of me. They will come and they will say the right things, sing the nice sweet songs, bring me a box of chocolates. But what happens when I feel knocked down from my pedestal? I'm supposed to be treated like an empress. I'm supposed to be having fertility, abundance, growth with my partner, but I never really feel like that. So I think person B is kind of losing hope right now. So let's see what this is just your perceptions, right? This is how you're feeling. So let's see what action now person A will take towards person B. Five of Pentacles. Why is that, Spirit? Why is that an action? Right now, I don't think they are taking any action, Virgo. They're still trying to... Let me take one more. What action will person A take, Spirit? Yes, they're thinking about it. I think they've finally realized they're feeling left out and abandoned in the cold by person B now, because maybe you guys are not talking to each other. They feel they've kind of lost their power now in this connection. Person A is also in hermit mode right now, thinking about what happened, why it happened, and yes, they will be making some decision soon. I don't know what this decision is going to be. Virgo is going to be different for all of you out there, but person A is now kind of in hermit mode, thinking about it. And yes, they are feeling neglected, abandoned, and left out by person B, who's very upset and angry with them. So let's see what action person B would like to take now. Strength in reverse. Why is strength in reverse? Person B is not really letting go of person A. They have a little bit of fear of change here. Oops, what happened? I heard a noise. Anyway, so what happened here, Spirit? They do want to have victory in this connection. They have a fear of letting person A go completely, but somewhere they know this connection is a bit imbalanced. They are desperately wanting their person to now level up. Be that, spouse who is going to be there through thick and thin, and be their partner for life, with or without marriage. I don't think this person is that concerned with having a marriage or whatever, but they do want a certain kind of commitment where because right now they feel this relationship has no strength, right? They know this relationship is kind of imbalanced, but the only action I think person B is taking is kind of still holding on to that little bit of hope that one day maybe person A is going to level up. And where person A is concerned, they are feeling the brunt of their non-action, of not telling the truth or not bringing clarity to the situation. They've put themselves in hermit mode. They will come out of this soon after making a decision as to what has to be done. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Virgo. Hope it worked for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.